Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about logarithmic differentiation. So now I want to show you how to answer. We put about natural law for the both sides. So we have the formula in here. So this one that is about ABC. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. So this one that is about capital A, that is about S, capital B, that is about 1 over 2. Now we need to transform this one into this one. This one we do the same. And this one too. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So we have the formula in here. So we can apply this one, this one, this one, and this one. So we have like this. So first the derivative of x where we have 2x. Number 3 that is about the constant. So you got number 0. This one we have number 1. This one you got number 0. So that is about 6x. That is about number 12. Next, we multiply both sides by y. About y, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.